Hi, today's tutorial is super easy but very convenient. It's a paper towel dispenser. So I got this box from TJ Maxx. It's a tissue box, well it's porcelain. And yes, you can buy a small box of tissues for this, but I really wanted paper towels for the guest bathroom. So I'm just going to show you how to make your own. So I've got a bounty roll and I've just cut off all the individual pieces one by one. You're gonna need about hundreds of these because it does take a lot of paper towels, the dispenser. So what I'm doing is folding the napkins over each other. And just keep doing that, keep going until you get to the same height as your dispenser. Still not there yet. This takes a while, but you get the hang of it. It's really not difficult. You're just laying one flat and folding the other side over it, and laying a flat tissue napkin over the side that you just folded, and repeating the steps. Once you're done with that, go ahead and place the napkins inside. If you push them in, they're pretty stiff, so they'll stay in. And there you have it. Everyone you pull will pull out the next napkin. All done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.